In this problem, we're given the ratings of n students, and we want to see if we can make a team of k students such that each of their ratings are different. So first thing first, let's read the input. So we're given n and a k, and then to check if we've seen the rating of a student before, we can create a set called S, and we can check in O of one time, and then we'll have a vector of integers, which will be our answer, in which we'll store the index of a unique student whose rating we have not seen before, because our output should be the indices of those students. So now let's read the students. So for I between 1 and n plus 1, because it's 1 indexed, we're given the rating of a student, which I'll call x. And now let's see if we can find x in S, and if we can't, we know we have not seen it before. So what we can do is we can insert that element, that index, in answer, and then we can also add that to the set. Oh yeah, x. That makes sense. Okay, so now what we can do is we can check if the size of our answer array is less than k, then we know there are less than k unique elements in our list, therefore we can't make a team, so we can just see out no. Otherwise we can, well, we need an else here. Otherwise what we can do is we can just output yes, and then we have to output the indices. So we need to output the first k. We don't have to, but it's the easiest way to do this is we can find the first k indices that are unique and just output them, which should be the first k elements in our vector answer. So we can just output answer I, and that should work. So 1, 2, 5, that's what we get. This one is not possible. Perfect. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. We can just submit. And voila.